Daily improvements in marketing and the ever-changing nature of the internet throttle us further into the fast forward in taking decisions. And everything you choose to buy, sell, and even online engagement becomes fully automated. But the only problem is time, which remains a permanent antagonist. Let me introduce you to the fastest and easiest way to completely change the way we do business. Hello everybody, my name is Vlad Kasian and I'm here to show you where technological innovations brought us today. Can you imagine how is it like to have a viral affiliate store in just a few clicks, managing to tap into hundreds of thousands of products with just a few clicks and gain commission from selling them on autopilot in just 1 minute? Well, imagine no more, because you're about to be revealed the most efficient affiliate cash making machine. And I have some big news about this new software from Banggood that utilizes a new advanced viral posting technology to build autopilot affiliate stores in just a few clicks without any stock or delivery. Now you may ask yourself, how does this work, right? Well, this is where the new powerful affiliate store builder comes in place. Introducing Viral Store. Viral Store allows you to quickly set up a fresh affiliate store within 1 minute with just a few clicks, and then all you have to do is to enjoy cashing in commissions. This is being done by managing to automatically sell from a growing range of over 150,000 products. Until now, most affiliate store builders forced you to select a category and a fixed area where you could sell and should sell. Well, this is now history, because Viral Store allows you to select which type of products you want to sell from 9 categories with over 500 subcategories to choose from. All of that, and be able to do that globally from your smartphone or tablet, thanks to our Android and iOS compatible user-friendly app. So say goodbye to geographical barriers and facing issues with the platform through unresponsive mobile accessing. Now you can get quick access to your store whenever or wherever you are, right from your mobile device through the Viral Store app. Be assured that with the user interface, you will never cease to impress your visitors with clean, stylish landing pages that never fail to wow, which you can select from a variety of styles. Getting viral on your store and sell various products around the world just got a lot easier. Doing this is now easier and faster than ever, because Viral Store's social share feature enables you to share your store posts with friends and other businesses on up to 5 different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, and even Tumblr. Now I want to tell you guys more about this new revolutionary platform. As I said, Viral Store is an ultra-fast Banggood affiliate store builder capable of providing viral traffic in just 4 easy steps. Step 1, select which type of store you want, select your style, general settings, and finally step 4, configuring the affiliate settings. Until now, with older affiliate store builders, you had to manually import and update each and every single item on your affiliate store, and they forced you to have an initial stock and a host and domain. Not anymore, because Viral Store dynamically updates itself with all Banggood content and products, and there's no need for annoying updates of deals, offers, price changes, or even head-bugging domain and site setups that compel you to learn so many difficult and technical skills. With Viral Store, you can add your own private domain in just 2 steps, because it's got hosting included. Okay, so why do you need to take advantage of Viral Store right now? Well, first of all, e-commerce is growing by the day, and you need to work smarter, and Viral Store opens up this big industry for everyone, regardless of experience, time, and money. Furthermore, Viral Store comes with a fast-track setup on products you don't even own and don't need to worry about. Product listings, images, dynamic pricing, the whole thing happens with a couple of clicks, and the whole process is fully automated. No need to worry about a single thing, because Viral Store does everything for you. 3. You need to focus on selling, not building. ViralStore builds itself from existing affiliate store and retail platform content, listings, images, and reviews. And you don't have to deal with sending any products or offer any support for return bonds, because in this case, you simply lose your commission. And finally, fourth reason, you get to make more. Get paid each and every time the physical products on your site are sold without having to worry about order fulfillment, shipping, or holding any inventory. Oh, and by the way, you can also check out analytics data from your store in real time, all the time in your dashboards from our app and platform. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for, and now it's the time to take action. This special launch price is going to be changed soon, so take advantage of ViralStore now and start experiencing how is it to have the world at your fingertips. Thank you for watching and choosing ViralStore. See you on the inside.